All right, let's talk about what you should know before we dive into it. This course assumes very little knowledge as far as skill and tech savviness, and that means the only thing you really need to know is what a podcast is. I'll take care of the rest. That said, we will be doing a few kind of technical things. We'll be purchasing and setting up audio gear. We'll be buying hosting and a domain and setting up a WordPress site. And I will go step by step through each of these, but you should be a little comfortable doing some of these tasks. The other thing that you should know is there are a few costs associated with podcasting. You'll need to buy audio hosting, potentially web hosting and a domain, and some audio gear. I'm going to try to come in around $100 for that stuff, but these are the recommendations I'm going to make. It's going to be up to you to actually purchase the gear. So you should be ready to spend a little bit of money if you're serious about starting your show. As far as this course works, it's self-paced, but that doesn't mean that you're alone. You could always message me with any questions you have at my email address, joe@casabona.org, or on Twitter at jcasabona. There's also a Facebook group for students, which again will be in the link below this video. So make sure to connect with them and ask them any questions if you're having trouble. There's also a comment section down below. So with all of that in mind, let's jump into the next video.